Hello and welcome to DSA Birds. Today we are going to experience a catbird call. The call of a catbird is a unique and distinct vocalization. Catbirds are known for their ability to mimic the sounds of other birds and often incorporate a wide variety of notes and phrases into their songs. Their calls can be quite melodious and complex, consisting of a series of whistles, trills, and warbles. The most characteristic call of a catbird is a cat-like mewing sound, which gives them their name. This call is often repeated several times in a row and can vary in pitch and intensity. It is not uncommon for a catbird to imitate the calls of other birds or even include snippets of other environmental sounds in its repertoire. The purpose of the catbird call is primarily to communicate with other catbirds and establish territorial boundaries. Males use their songs to attract mates and defend their nesting territories, while females may use softer calls to communicate with their mates or signal alarm. Catbirds are known for their vocal prowess and can produce a wide range of sounds, making their calls a joy to listen to for birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts. Let's experience different calls of a catbird in backyard while eating. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you are new to DSA Birds, do subscribe and click bell icon to get notified once a new video uploaded. Thanks for watching.